Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. If you're enjoying the content of a creator like myself, I do appreciate when you hit that thumbs up. The number increases and it helps with my growth on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for the thumbs up. Also, there is going to be a link in the video down below in the description box. The giveaway, the 2K giveaway is going on, so I want to make sure that you guys take advantage of that. It's my way of giving back and thanking you for being part of this journey. So please, if you haven't watched that video, I hope you do, and you will sign up and be entered in that video. All right? Okay, so the video that we're going to be doing today, I am really, really excited about, because there's always a story, and what's ironic is it's so nice to have the channel that I get to share these stories with you guys, because I always wanted to know how somebody found it or what made them choose that, and so on and so forth. So I wanted to make sure that, you know, in my videos, the relationship that we have with each other is me sharing with you these stories. So what ends up happening, and I always share with you, and I try, and it's been fantastic, because since I started the channel, I've been able to do it and haven't missed it yet, that on the second of every month with IPSY, before I even choose for myself, I film everything that's available, what my choices were going to be, as well as what the add-ons are. And then after I finish filming, because it takes time for it go from the camera to my cloud, from the cloud to the computer, from the computer into YouTube, it takes hours. So I always want to make sure to do that first, and then I sit down and choose for myself. So when I had the opportunity to choose on the add-ons, there was really nothing there that wasn't something I've already tried. There were only a couple. And I said, you know what, I'm going to check the shopper out and just see what's going on in there. And I'm so happy that I did, because normally on that day, and I used to, you know, before I had the channel, I used to check the shopper almost every day, if not every other day. And now the days are just getting there's not enough time in a day. So that used to be like my routine, and I haven't been on the shopper area for a while. So what ended up happening is I went into the shopper area, and there was a kit in there that I couldn't believe that it was there. It was almost like I was pushed to get this. So if you're familiar at all with my channel, and I've shared this with you a couple of times, there was a hand cream that I found on IPSY that blew my mind. It is called Merci Handy, and it is in the scent called Hello Sunshine. And I found this in the $3 section, and I fell in love with it. The following month, it wasn't there. And then I started to check constantly in the shopper to see if any kits were going to come up with this scent, with the Hello Sunshine. And I was able to find a couple of kits where they had this cream in there, so I grabbed it. Then I saw in the points section that it's no longer this scent called Hello Sunshine, it's now called something else. So I said, okay, I'm not going to try anymore. I don't want to get hooked on anything else. I wanted to still stick with what I fell in love with. And to me, this is that type of scent that is like how the Soleil de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream does that for me as well. But this is an inexpensive product, and the brand is not an expensive brand. So it's better to fall in love with a scent when it is more attainable, as far as, you know, the Soleil de Janeiro. So when the Soleil de Janeiros go on sale, I stock up. But this is something that I can have in my arsenal all the time. So really, really impressed with this. So this is something that, like I said, I always keep my eyes open. And if you guys ever see this Hello Sunshine hand cream anywhere, make sure to send me a DM or leave me a comment, because like I said, I stock up on this scent. I absolutely love it. So I went into the shopper, and the shopper had a Merci Handy, which is this brand, Hello Sunshine set. I couldn't believe it. So they're saying it was going to be on sale for $10. And if you know anything about the shopper, it's one of those tabs at the top, and every day at 9 o'clock, IPSY puts in a bunch of these kits, and they're always at discounted prices. I think this whole kit should have been $17, and I got it for $10. It always ships free freight, and it always ships separately. It's never with your box. So like I said, and these deals last usually for a week unless they sell out earlier. So this one, like I said, I got only one, and it is fresh is in the name of the game with these must-have for your hair, face, and your skin. So there were 3 items, and it came in one of these fantastic, remember the box? Like this. So I couldn't believe that. I'm so happy. Anyways, okay, so the scent of it is the same as in here, because I sprayed because I always unpack everything before I sit down to make sure everything that's in the box should be in the box. There's no damages. I take a picture for Instagram, and then I sit down here and we play. So this one here came with 3 items in it, and one is called the Hello Sunshine, here it is, dry shampoo, and this is a 3.3 fluid ounce. They came with the Hello Sunshine Mist. It's a refreshing face mist in that scent. And then the last item was a tiny little hand sanitizer in that same gorgeous scent. So all that's missing in here for me was the hand cream. So what it says, Hello Sunshine Dry Shampoo absorbs the sebum and restores your volume and your strength. That's this guy here. I'm just going to take the top off because I already sprayed. So this one here, the volume, the strength, and with light, speed, shine. It's light, sweet, and delicate scent with love. And the spray on this was really fantastic. I'm going to show you. I'm going to spray it into the cap. Here we go. Can you believe that? And the scent is everything. It is so refreshing and so happy. It is Hello Sunshine. That's exactly the scent. The next one is called is the Hello Mist, and this is what she looks like here. And this is, like I said, a 1 ounce fluid ounce, which is going to be fantastic. So this one here to put in the purse and everything. So this is Hello Sunshine Mist, takes care of your skin with a keep you cool in sticky situations. And then I sprayed this, and it's that light mist, and it is just everything and more. So really happy with that. And then the last one is the hand sanitizer, and this leaves your hands soft and delicately scented. So if you're not familiar with this brand, I did take a couple of notes. You know me with my notes. So this one says, at Merci Handy, we think that life is rich, beautiful, and surprising, but our daily lives are often too serious, which sometimes prevents us from seeing all the colors. Examples of daily things become far too serious. Then their chemist, who is Jean-Michel, which is probably why it's called Merci Handy. Merci means thank you in French. How his Monday is going, and he responds, we must find a new disruptive concept to find a good sell-out dynamic. Their mission, to be said in a very serious manner, imagine a colorful parallel universe integrating into our daily life to bring color wherever you go, making the ordinary extraordinary. Isn't that phenomenal? So that was everything that I got. And like I said, it was $10, and then it shipped for free. And it is just a scent that is so happy. I didn't even try the hand sanitizer. And let's see here. Let me take my rings off. I'm like, imagine, I wish they had the hand cream. I'm going to have to go and see if there's a website on these people to be able to buy from them directly, because it's silly how often, yeah, it's exactly the same thing. Oh, and it dries so quickly. That is fantastic. Oh, I don't know if you're like me, but I love certain scents. And then if you have the opportunity to get it in a soap where you're washing your hands, and then that just, no matter what your mood is, that after you wash your hands or put that lotion on, it just changes you. And that's exactly what the chemist wanted. And it's exactly what, for me, he's achieved. And like I said, the brand is called Merci Handy. And the scent that I absolutely love is called Hello Sunshine. If you have tried anything else from this brand, please tell me in the comments down below, as well as if you've tried any of their other scents. Because like I said, what I saw on IPSY was that they had one, something, I think it was Dolce or something like that. So I was still looking for the Hello Sunshine. It was for points and stuff like that. I'm going to check closer to the end of the month if it's still there, and I'll probably end up getting it. But I'm really looking for this Hello Sunshine. So the fact that I'm able to get, I wish, I do have backups of these. Don't think I don't. I do. There's one in my travel case and there's one in my purse. This one here I leave on my table here so that I could remember to tell you guys about it. So that's why I wanted to make sure this stayed out here. But to be able to get something with the same scent, and that they have a whole product line in reference just to that scent, I had no idea. And that's why I love IPSY and I love the shopper, because we're able to introduce ourselves, because I never knew of this brand before IPSY. And now it's one that is always on my wants and needs list. So this way I'm able to try so much more of their products in the exact same scent. So like I said, I'm going to check out their website, and if I have any more updates in reference to them, I will share that with you. But I had to share this with you, and I want to make sure that you guys, like me, don't forget to go into the shopper, because there's always so many of these fantastic deals just waiting for us, and we just have to make sure that we remember to go onto the shopper. All right? That's everything for today, guys. Thanks again. I appreciate, as you know, always, that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But more importantly, during this time, I want to make sure that everybody, please, let's all continue to stay safe. Everything's getting a little better and a little better. So our freedom is starting to come back to us. And I want to make sure that we all will still continue being able to enjoy. And I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye for now.